Hello and welcome to our 2 minutes tutorial. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to free up space on TikTok and why it is essential for a smoother experience. If you are new here, I'd like you to take a second to subscribe. It goes a long way to growing our community. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and head to your profile. Access settings by tapping the 3 dots in the top right corner. Choose privacy and settings. Now it's time to free up space. Scroll up to search free up space. Click and open free up space. Why is this important? Clearing up space optimizes your app's performance and makes it run smoother and faster. It creates valuable room for other apps to function and reduces sluggishness and potential crash. So take up 1 minute of your day to free up space on TikTok and enjoy a smoother app experience. By managing your app space, you are taking a step towards an healthier digital lifestyle. I've had cache cleared, now I'm going to do the same for downloads. Thanks for watching. I know you learned a thing or two. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.